Hello everyone. Do you want to start making money through the affiliate program of ClickBank? Well, you are on the right place. In this video, I will show you how to create an affiliate account on ClickBank in 2023. So, don't miss out this opportunity to maximize your earnings. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here we are guys on ClickBank. Now I have opened this screen which is the main website of the ClickBank official platform. So now all you have to do is simply click on affiliate which is so clear in the menu. Here you will have so many problems about affiliate, resources like categories and menus. So for now, we are simply going to click on how to make money online using ClickBank. And this will take us to an article that will help us a lot to start making money using the affiliate program of ClickBank. And in another way, you can just go to the main page and then drag your mouse to the footer, to the bottom of the page, and then click on Earn with ClickBank. And here we are, guys, on the affiliate webpage. So, welcome to the world's leading affiliate marketplace. Now, all you have to do to get started is by clicking on this button. So now, once you clicked on this button, let's customize your ClickBank experience. I am new to all of this and not sure where to start. I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate. Our product I want to sell on ClickBank Bank, and I am just creating a new nickname. I'm already on ClickBank. So for this specific video, we are going to or with I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate. So click on B, then choose OK. So now, awesome, let's make sure you get started promoting ClickBank product in the best way possible. In order to do so, we'd like to learn a little bit more about your experience as an affiliate. Sounds good, so here we go. You have experience promotions, offers as an affiliate, here just be honest with them, or you can just go and choose I have already promoted ClickBank offers before. So here I'm going to do this. Okay, what is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing? Earn extra income, cause my day job and be my own boss, turn my passion into a career. So turn whatever you'd like to do. Do you currently have traffic or an audience to promote to? No, I do not have a consistent traffic source or existing audience. So how do you plan to generate traffic then? So here paid social media advertising, and here I select all of the ClickBank tools you would be interested to use. So here page builder funnel, here I'm going for example with none. Okay, which best describes you why you selected none. I already have one or more of these tools. These types of tools are usually too expensive for me. You can choose whatever you'd like. Then click on OK. How would you like to hear about ClickBank? How did you hear about ClickBank? You can just write YouTube and then click on OK. Last question, what email would you like to use for this new account? I'm going with this one. Submit. And here we are. So based on your answers, if you want to make your first $2,000 as an affiliate marketer in as little as 90 days, we highly recommend you to start with these three simple steps used by nearly every successful affiliate ClickBank in this training video. So here they will just give you a sample video that you can follow by your own, and it will explain to you how to get started with the ClickBank affiliate program. So here you have to really fill all of that. And now let me just reduce the voice. And yeah, once it is done, they will like have to actually follow it one by one and then create your account here. So you really do have to create an account. And once you feel like you're done with that, everything is good for you to go, what you'll have to do next is wait for them to contact you through your email. So for now, let's check our email if they did contact us. So here it is, successfully not, this is not the one that we are going for. So they didn't actually accept us in their affiliate program. So now what you'll have to do is simply wait for them until they answer you. And here there is this article that will help you along the way while you are waiting for them to accept you in their affiliate program. You can literally just read this article and you will get so much knowledge about how to start working as an affiliate in ClickBank. So here there are some statistics for making money online. So here at ClickBank, we analyze more than 3.5 million internal data points collected within our every own affiliate marketplace. So the number of people earning over $1,000 online increased 42.2 from 2019 to 2020. The amount of time it took people to start making money on the ClickBank marketplace shrank to 78 days. So this is a really good amount of days to make and to start making money. Now let's ignore all of that and see like the 17 ideas to earn money. So let's go through this list, shall we now, guys? So here we go. First thing is to start the affiliate marketing. The second thing, which is sell physical stuff online. So these are some ways to actually start making money. Sell your photography or art, etc., etc. But now what we are going to focus on is to start affiliate marketing and how it works, specifically on their websites. So, we are starting off this list with something that's near and dear to our heart here at ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. If you are new to the concept of affiliate marketing, this business approach is all about promoting someone else's products online and getting paid a commission up to 75% on each sale you bring to them. The affiliate marketing is a great opportunity because you don't need a huge staff, a bunch of capital, or even an idea for a product. All you need is a special affiliate link and the ability to send qualified traffic to an online offer. From there, you get a percentage of the sale and can go on your own merry way. Obviously, affiliate marketing is more involved than just that. There is different commission models like CPA versus revenue on share, one-time or recurring commission. There is joint venture partnership and key metrics to track like average order value AOV and earnings per click EPC. So there is different kind of affiliate marketing that you have to search about it and learn more about it. It's not only about the link, it's about what after that. People after getting the link, there is so many options. You might get paid when these people actually just click on the link. You get paid once these people actually buy something through the link. You can get paid once the people uses your coupon code. You can get paid or get discount using like after these people get these coupon codes. So there is different kind of stuff that you might get through the affiliates program that they have here. So make sure to search every word here, every technical word that you don't really know about, and you will get the idea of general basic of how to start affiliate marketing, the types of it, and more about it. Here are some affiliate marketing score, setup time speed, required investment, experience level, and potential profit is 5. So the score is 4. So how to get started? You can simply go to affiliate marketing at any platform. For example, there is Amazon, there is ClickBank, which is the thing that we are talking about. You can sign up here as I showed you before, guys. So here you can sign up. So this is like how you can sign up, or the other way, which is I showed you before. And then just wait until they accept you in their affiliate program, and once you get the link you can start earning the money. And yeah guys, that was completely it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.